If you ask me, what is my favorite thing in this world? I will say, traveling. But as you see, we are a bit silent now. However, as you can observe, we have fallen into a momentary hush. Why is that? The silence is a result of us safeguarding a newfound hope. In the midst of life's beautiful journey, there comes a moment that's just for us. A moment to celebrate the love that brought us here and the love that's about to bloom. As we embark on this adventure, we find ourselves embracing the tranquility of this journey, cherishing every single moment together. For soon, our world will change, our hearts will expand. We are on a baby moon, savoring these precious moments before we become three. We stroll hand in hand, savoring each step, each sensation, knowing that our love story is about to grow in the most beautiful way. In these moments, we find strength in our togetherness, in the promise of a new beginning, and in the joy of becoming parents. Our baby moon, a chapter in our story, a memory etched in our hearts. Here's to the journey that brought us here and the one that lies ahead. Time-lapse world.